Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to share you guys my final thoughts regarding this product that I've had and used for more than a month now. I've checked my first uploaded video regarding this product. It's been a month already, and I think it's time for me to share you guys my thoughts and experience of how this product worked for my face. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like this video, subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever there's a new video uploaded in my channel. Okay? Let's go. Okay, so the product that I'm talking about is no other than the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 12%. I mean, 1% lang pala. Ano pinagsasabi ko? Kung ba nakita ko? Maybe you already saw on the thumbnail. So it's the Ordinary. So on the first night nung ginamit ko siya, naramdaman ko agad na yung skin ko feels smoother and supple. I'm not sure if that's the right term. Supple? Let me check. Yeah, sort of like that. So, ganun yung aso! So, sa span of time na ginamit ko siya, I think it did what it claimed for. Because it said that it regulates sebum and minimizes pores. So, sa pag-apply ko every night and morning, especially sa morning kasi nakikita ko yung, mga sumpa sa mukha. Actually, it really did the job. Chine-check ko siya pag in-apply ko, and it surely did na nag-minimize yung pores ko. And I really like it, especially na pag ina-apply ako ng a little bit of foundation, kasi pag umalis ako, of course, naglalagay ako ng a little bit of foundation para magpantay yung skin tone ko. Hindi kasi masyadong pantay yung skin tone, may mga a little bit of blemishes, and the rest is skin scars or acne scars. So, naglalagay ako nito, and then foundation. So, pag lalagay ako, talagang kumakapit siya, and it feels like fair, hindi siya nag-flaking yung pag nag-a-apply ako ng foundation. Kasi pag nag-a-apply ako ng foundation without this, parang nag-flex kasi yung nagka-crack yung sa part ng sa mukha ko, especially na maraming lubak-lubak, pero maraming scars pa na natira. So pag nag-a-apply talaga ako ng foundation, hindi talaga siya masyadong like pantay. So I really liked this product kasi na naman, kazu kamatis. So I really liked this product kasi maganda yung idulot niya sa pamumukha ko. Kasi yung pores ko kasi masyado siyang malalaki, and madali akong nagkaka-pimples. But when I used this product, maganda yung resulta na idulot. Kasi yung pores ko nga lumiit siya konti, and it really helps na hindi ako masyadong nagkakatigyawat. Kasi nagkakatigyawat talaga ako every now and then. I don't know, maybe maghababoy na itong tigyawat ko. Oh! But anyway, yeah, talagang gusto ko siya. And I'm planning to buy another one. Maganda siyang i-partner dun sa pag nagma-microneedling therapy ako. After nilalagyan ko siya niyan. And it kinda helped na maghilom yung pamumula tsaka pag-prevent ng scarring. Naubos na kasi yung lanben ako. Ito na lang yung natira. So, ginawa ko siyang alternative. And nakatulong naman siya. Actually, pag nung nung naglagay ako dito after kong microneedling therapy, couple of days lang yung pamamaga, kasi hindi naman siya masyadong nagsusugat eh. So, madali lang siya ng hilom, at saka nakatulong talaga tong product na to. So, I'm planning to buy another one and then continues with this and sa microneedling therapy. So, to wrap it up, I really liked it, and it did what it claimed for, and as you can see sa face ko, madali kasi akong titigyawatin, but with that product, madali lang siyang mahilom, and then hindi siya grabe yung pagbe-breakout, kasi pag nagbe-breakout ako talagang medyo maramihan. But with this one, is only like 1 or 2 or 3, something like that, and a couple of days mawawala siya, because with that, products helped. My skin feels smoother and fresher no, sa face ko. I kind of recommend this one to you guys. You to try it and see for yourself, and maybe it's effective as well para sa inyo. But I don't know kasi magkakaiba tayo ng skin condition and skin type. So I think that's all for this video. But before we end this, I would like to invite you guys to check out my other channel. Supposedly, included siya dito sa channel to, but lagi kasi siyang natatabunan, so nilipat ko na siya sa other channel. So please guys, check out my other channel as well, and click subscribe to that, to that channel. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you have anything to say, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to get back to you guys. So once again, thank you, and may you all have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now. Peace out.